If you've ever received a zip file on Telegram and weren't sure how to open it, this video is going to make it super simple. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to download the zip file from Telegram, extract it on your computer, and then open the files inside without confusion. This is a really useful skill if you get documents, folders, images, or project files shared through Telegram, because zip files have to be downloaded and unpacked before you can use them. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram and go to the chat where the zip file was sent. Find the zip attachment in the conversation, then right-click on the zip file and choose Save As. This tells Telegram that you want to download the file to your computer instead of just keeping it in the chat. Next, pick the folder where you want to save it. You can choose your Downloads folder, desktop, or any other location that's easy for you to find later. Once you've selected the destination, click Save. After the file finishes downloading, open File Explorer and go to the folder where you saved the zip file. Now right-click the downloaded zip file. In the menu that appears, choose Extract All. This option is built into Windows and lets you unpack everything inside the compressed folder. A new window will appear asking where you want to extract the contents. You can keep the default location, or click Browse if you want to choose a different destination folder. Once you've selected the folder, click Extract. Windows will now unzip the file and create a normal folder with all the contents inside. When the extraction is finished, open the extracted folder. Inside, you should see the files that were packaged in the zip archive. From here, you can open documents, view images, launch installers, or use whatever files were sent to you. And that's it. You've successfully opened a zip file from Telegram. The key thing to remember is that Telegram only gives you the file, but your computer needs to extract it before you can access the contents. If this guide helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.